Howdy, I'm Bill from San Antonio, Texas. Today, I'm gonna show you how to transform your bathroom into a stunning showroom space without losing comfort or functionality. Your bathroom deserves more. You can see old tub. Would you like to see how we can do it? Would you like to see the result of this project? Stay with me. Howdy. And just like that, your everyday bathroom becomes a showroom worthy space, modern, stylish. One upgrade, total transformation. If you enjoyed this transformation, hit the like button below, please.